Curious about the lifestyle and expenses in Stewartville, Minnesota? Well, you are in the perfect spot. I'm Kelly Domaille from Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and today we are going to unwrap the layers of Stewartville's living costs. And if you stick around to the end, you're going to get a crucial and special tip that you do not want to miss. So you ready? Let's jump right in. First off, housing. The cornerstone of any move is housing, right? As of February 2024, the average listing price in Stewartville hovered around $358,000, marking a 17% uptick from last year. And the homes, well, they're selling at around $286,000. While that might sound steep, Stewartville still remains a steal compared to its neighboring areas. Now on to transportation. We all love exploring, don't we? Well, here in Stewartville, 75% of the folks prefer driving their own car, with the average gas price being about $3.50, mirroring all the nearby towns. But if public transit is more your speed, Rolling Hills Transit has got you covered, with fares that vary from about $2 to $6 for a one-way trip. And let's not forget about health care. That is essential for everyone, right? Well, Stewartville boasts quality services from Olmsted Medical Center and several local health experts. Plus, the renowned Mayo Clinic is just about a 10-mile hop away. The cost? Surprisingly affordable, whether you opt for a larger entity like Olmsted Medical Center or an independent practitioner. Grocery shopping and daily essentials. You're going to find plenty of options right here in town. And your utility bills, well, they're right on par with the area, ensuring that you're going to have a comfortable lifestyle without draining your wallet. Now, for that special tip I promised, taxes. Often overlooked, but super crucial. In 2024, Stewartville's combined sales tax rate stood about 7.38%. And knowing this can really help you budget better and avoid any surprises. If you're interested in more about the life in Stewartville, Minnesota, hit the subscribe button and follow me on all the social media just to stay updated. And if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up and check out our other videos. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below and I promise I will get back to you. I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate, and we're not just selling homes, we're helping you find where your heart belongs. We love where we live and we want you to love where you live too. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm going to see you in the next one.